It's something I see time and time again, that people completely discount even the notion of looking in this direction, of going on this inner exploration, if you like, because they've equated being peaceful and calm with a lack of performance. They've got that graph in their head, and if you ask them, they'll go, well, you know, if you're not stressed at all, you don't perform well. You just become apathetic, don't you? That's what people think, and it stops them. It's a barrier to actually exploring their true nature and having a better experience of life. Look to all top performance sports people. If you dragged somebody off the winning court, if they're at Wimbledon, they just won Wimbledon, and you said, how much stress did you experience? They'd be like, well, none really. I didn't really have anything on my mind at all, and that's why they won. Because they weren't experiencing. As soon as tension and stress starts to creep in, well, that's when we make mistakes. It's the same with someone like playing a musical instrument or something. You ask anyone who's really good at a musical instrument, and they get in the flow. They've got nothing on their minds. They're not experiencing any stress whatsoever, and they put out the most amazing performance. But as soon as stress starts creeping in, as soon as that feeling of tension starts coming, as soon as we start getting invested in our thinking, well, that's when we start to make mistakes. So that's misconception number one. I mean, let me know what you think in the comments, but for me that's pretty damned obvious that that's a misconception.